Hello Canva friends, in today's video, we're going to discuss the best logo maker applications for Android. If you're looking to create stunning logos without the need for extensive graphic design skills, then this video is definitely for you. So, let's jump right into it. Logo Creator. Logo Creator is a logo maker application that can be used on Android devices. With this application, users can create logos quickly and easily without needing high graphic design skills. The app provides various options for fonts, icons, and other design elements that can be used to create attractive logos. Users can also customize the colors, sizes, and layouts of the logo according to their preferences. Logo Creator also has a cloud storage feature, allowing users to easily save and access their logo designs from other devices. "3D Logo Designer". 3D Logo Designer is a logo maker application that allows users to create logos with attractive 3D visuals. The app comes with a variety of 3D effects and text styles that can be used to create creative and unique logos. Users can adjust the size, rotation, and position of objects in the logo, as well as set animation functions to give a dynamic look to the logo. In addition, 3D Logo Designer supports image import and flexible color settings to provide creative freedom to users. Logo Maker Pro. Logo Maker Pro is a logo maker application that offers various features and comprehensive design tools for creating high-quality logos. The app provides access to over 5,000 ready-to-use logo designs that can be customized by editing text, colors, sizes, and other elements. Users can also import their own images to be used in the logo. Logo Maker Pro comes with a variety of font options, text effects, and other visual effects to add a creative touch to the logo. Additionally, this app also has a cloud storage feature, allowing users to easily save and share their logo designs. And there you have it, our top picks for the best logo maker applications on Android. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.